Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Ilyas. Currently, I am a researcher staff in Microbiology Division, Research Center for Biology, Indonesian Institute of Sciences, or LIPI. Today, I would like to presenting our work with the title Preliminary Study of Black Aspergilli Inhabiting Paper Rhizosphere collected from Ekakarya Botanical Garden, Bedugul, Bali. The black aspergilli or Aspergillus saxonigri is subgroup of Aspergillus with black sport aspergilli. The main habitat of black aspergilli is in the soil, although many of them have been isolated from various substrate. The black aspergilli has a significant impact in the human modern socioeconomy, especially in the biotechnology, food mycology, and medical mycology. Through the fermentation industry, the black aspergilli were used to produce an assemblage of commercially utilized enzymes such as amylase and lipase, and other secondary metabolites such as citric acid and gluconic acid. Preliminary exploration the microbial biodiversity through the study of isolation and identification of fungi was the first step to discover the potential strain that were able to produce promising metabolite and bioactive material. The objective of this study were to isolate and identify the black aspergilli inhabiting paper rhizosphere collected from Ekakarya Botanical Garden, Bedugul, Bali. The study results are expected to be the initial of microbial resources and the information for screening and utilizing the black aspergilli through bioprospecting. Materials and method. The sample was collected in Ekakarya Botanical Garden. Ekakarya Botanical Garden located in the highland area of Bedugul Regency, Bali Province, 60 km from the capital city of Bali Province, Denpasar. The sample consists of paper rhizosphere. 5 representative samples were collected based on purposive random sampling. Sample treatment in the laboratorium. In the laboratorium, rhizosphere samples then are dried in room temperature for 3 days. After dry, sample then homogenized using mortar and filtered. The filtered sample then measured 1 gram for further analysis. The fungal isolation method was conducted using serial dilution method with Rose Bengal chloramphenicol agar as selective isolation media. Result and discussion. The average of fungal colony forming unit from 5 samples of paper rhizosphere collected from Ekakarya Botanical Garden, Bedugul, Bali is between 15 until 190,000 GFU per milli. The highest fungal colony density is obtained by sample number 3, paper betel linnaeus rhizosphere. Through the colony pickup and purification, totally 71 strains of black aspergilli were isolated from 5 samples of paper rhizosphere growing at Ekakarya Botanical Garden, Bedugul, Bali. 20 strains from total 71 strains were grouped and selected for further morphological, molecular identification, and phylogenetic analysis based on its-rDNA sequences. And this is the macroscopic view of colony growth and morphological characteristic of 20 selected strains of black aspergilli growing on artificial media malt extract agar or MEA. And this is the macroscopic view of colony growth and morphological characteristic of 20 selected strains of black aspergilli growing on artificial media Sapekis agar or CYA. The orange color soluble pigment containing metabolites was found in black aspergilli strain P15 and P16 were grown in CYA. Soluble pigment also found in strain P15, P16, and P19 were grown in CY20S. The sclerotia was formed in black aspergilli strain P18 were grown in MEA, and strain P14 were grown in CYIA. Sclerotiua also formed on strain P15, P16, P18, and P20 were grown on CYA. And this is the microscopic view of uniseriate strain. Black aspergillus strain P03, P08, P09, P10, P12, P13, and P14 by observation under microscope have aspergilla with a uniseriate radiate columnar type. And this is the microscopic view of biseriate strain. Black aspergillus strain P01, P02, P05 until P07, P12, P15 until P20, totally 11 strain by observation under microscope have aspergilla with biseriate radiate columnar type. Molecular identification result. The query length for online alignment in NCBI BLAST is between 550 and 580 base pair. The BLAST result based on ITS-rDNA sequences show that the 20 selected strains have a high homology with the previously identified Black Aspergilli taxa with 99 until 100% similarity. The nitrogen-based differentiation in the ITS sequence is between 1 until 2 bases and gaps between 0 until 2 bases. And this is the phylogenetic tree depicting taxonomy position of 20 strain Black Aspergilli based on ITS-rDNA sequence using neighbor joining or NG method and Aspergillus flavus as outgroup. The 13 biseriate strains are in the clade of Aspergillus niger sensulato. The 9 biseriate strains are in the clade of Aspergillus tubanensis sensu stricto. Meanwhile, the other 4 biseriate strains are in the clade of Aspergillus niger sensu stricto. The 7 strains of uniseriate are in the clade of Aspergillus aculeatus sensulato. Consists of 3 strains in the clade of Aspergillus japonicus sensu stricto and 4 strains in the clade of Aspergillus aculeatus sensu stricto. Conclusion. In total, 71 strains of Black Aspergilli or Aspergillus jacksonii were isolated from 5 samples of Piperizossphere growing at Ektakarya Botanical Garden, Bedugul, Bali. 20 representative strains of them have been identified based on combination of morphological, molecular, and phylogenetic analysis. Morphological observation on MEA and CYA show that the 20 selected strains of Black Aspergilli have high phenotypic variation. However, the morphological identification result cannot be used to identify the 20 representative strains into species level. Further molecular identification approach based on ITS-rDNA sequence and phylogenetic analysis using the neighbor joining or NG method show that from 20 selected strains, 4 strains of them, P08, P09, P12, and P13, were identified as Aspergillus aculeatus sensu stricto. 3 strains of them, P03, P10, and P14, were identified as Aspergillus japonicus sensu stricto. 4 strains, P04, P05, P06, and P07, were identified as Aspergillus niger sensulato, and 9 strains, P01, P02, P11, P15 until P20, were identified as Aspergillus tubanensis sensu stricto. This study was partly funded by the Indonesian Ministry of Research and Technology, and DIPA project of Research Center for Biology, Indonesian Institute of Sciences. Thank you very much for your kind attention.